Last Thursday, Google lost the co-inventor of the Transformer, the architecture that powers basically all AI, to OpenAI. The very next day, these lost their Nobel Prize winner to Anthropic. 2 days, 2 legends, 2 rival companies. Meet John Jumper. In 2024, he shared the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for co-creating AlphaFold, an AI system that solved one of biology's biggest unsolved problems in one shot. Predicting how proteins fold, something scientists had been trying to crack for 50 years, took AlphaFold about 30 minutes per structure. It's predicted over 200 million of them. That's not just impressive, that's world-changing. And Jumper is 40 years old, making him the youngest chemistry Nobel laureate in over 70 years. On Friday, June 19th, Jumper posted on X that after nearly 9 years at Google DeepMind, he's out. His next stop, Anthropic. The same day Reuters and Bloomberg confirmed it. DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis publicly thanked him for an extraordinary partnership, but notably made zero mention of a successor, because there isn't one ready. Here's what makes this hit different. Thursday, Noam Shazir, co-author of the original Transformer paper and Gemini's co-lead, jumped to OpenAI. Friday, Jumper heads to Anthropic. That's Google losing 2 irreplaceable researchers to its 2 biggest competitors in 48 hours, and neither of them left to start their own companies. They went straight to rivals. That's the kind of thing that keeps Google executives up at night. Anthropic isn't hiring Jumper to make a better chatbot. His entire career has been at the intersection of AI and biology, drug discovery, protein modeling, scientific breakthroughs. Anthropic has publicly said it wants to build agentic AI for biological research. Jumper is the exact person you hire to do that. Meanwhile, Google, despite being one of the most resourced AI labs on the planet, apparently can't hold on to its best minds. The question isn't just who's winning the AI race, it's who's building the bench. If Nobel Prize winners are choosing Anthropic and OpenAI over Google, you might want to pay attention to what those companies are building next. Drop a comment. Do you think Google can turn this around? And if you want to be first on stories like this, subscribe. We post twice a day, every weekday.